How was the session yesterday? पहले तो कैमरा ऑन करो फिर आंसर करना. Did you guys like learn everything you had to about reels? Did you nicely utilize the session?
Yes, yes.
You did, right? Okay. So anybody wants to give a recap on what happened yesterday? Okay, Ajay, go ahead. Guys, अपना जल्दी से कैमरा ऑन करो ना. Also, Rutuja. Rutuja. कितनी including today? कितनी classes हो गई?
16 class है यार.
So guys, we're already done with 50% of our classes. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Ajay, बताओ, what did we do? Guys. क्या हो गया, guys? Anybody like literally reply? Were you guys not paying attention yesterday? Is that it? Okay. But fine, Ajay. Um, were you guys paying attention yesterday in class?
Yes, yes. Even like the whole reels saying how to upload reels, how to make them.
Okay. And any interesting thing that you found about the class yesterday?
Yeah, like he also told us about all the editing software he uses
Hmm.
for editing.
Okay, that's nice.
So that was new.
Okay, fine. So also I would like you guys to switch on your cameras, without which I do not wish to begin the session. Okay, so all of you must go ahead and do that. Kirti, Parth, Anushka, Vineet, Dhruv, Aisha, Runal, Surya, Paridhi. Okay, Amrita. Okay, much better. Great. So now we're just gonna finish our Instagram module today. Okay. So we're gonna be talking about how you can build anticipation for a product launch with the countdown sticker. So there's an interactive sticker for stories which allows you to create excitement in advance of a product launch or any kind of special event. Okay. So now the countdown sticker actually alerts your biggest fans to mark their calendars when you've got something new to offer, right? And a lot of brands actually do this, okay? And it's just very easy. You know, you can also put the countdown sticker on your own story. You can reshare it when it happens. Where I say, hota hai, you guys must have seen that also, right? Okay. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that that's also an interactive feature that you can use when you have to announce something big happening. Okay. Then there's also going live on Instagram. So Instagram Live offers loads of potential to connect with fans in a real-time way. Okay. So you can use the following strategies for Instagram Live, which is you can either collaborate with an industry expert or influencer using the add a guest option to go live together. You guys know, na, like 2, 3 people can go live together on Instagram, right?
Yes.
Okay. So anybody can tell me like what is the benefit of going live together with another guest? Anybody?
Yeah, the other.
Okay, so it increases your reach. Okay. ये किसका फोन बजा? चलो ठीक है. Okay, समझ गई किसका फोन बजा. Okay, cool. So But guys, don't you think like it's so cool, like colleges, like classes in college or like classes in school because literally when any personally this situation would never arise in school when you just like get like randomly a call and you answer it. But I remember when I was in college, I was constantly. It's like the professor would be talking to me, and I'm just like, hmm. I'm literally not even like making eye contact. Have you guys even been to college, like physically?
No.
दो
Not.
दिन गए थे वो डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने.
Yeah.
डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने नहीं, like real life में.
Yeah.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
it's really it's a very different like experience to be honest because I remember what I used to do is so nine like airpods आए थे उस time and I used to of course in school you couldn't have your hair open so I used to just like go like that एक कान में airpods ऐसे and एक कान बिल्कुल ऐसे so like the professor doesn't even imagine in her wildest dreams that I'm wearing airpods. Okay, and I would like try to, I would be like listening to her also in the sense that if she calls out my name, I should be able to respond. And all of us were allowed to open our laptops also. You guys will know when you guys go. We were allowed to open our laptops also. So ऐसे, she's like, yeah, we're discussing the reading. So मेरे यहाँ भी खुली होती थी reading side में, and I was watching like either Rick and Morty or like Two and a Half Men. And the professor was just like, like talking throughout, and I'm like, hmm. And I'm just literally only watching the entire 3 hours. I used to sit and watch shows. That's it. And then I
मैम
used
वो
to go.
आपको बालों के क्या कारण एडवांटेज मिलता है ना इसीलिए.
Exactly. None of you boys
तो
can do
फिर
that.
फिर करता है तो फिर प्रोफेसर बहुत ही गुस्सा आ जाते हैं, फोन हाथ से ले लेते कभी कभी.
अच्छा, you've already been to college?
नहीं, 12th स्टैंडर्ड तक कॉलेज था ना.
Oh, you're allowed to use phones when you're in 12th.
हाँ कॉलेज में. उसके बाद कॉलेज नहीं गया था, कोई कॉलेज ऑफलाइन नहीं.
तो इसमें क्या है थोड़े ऐसे बाल बढ़ा लेना या ऐसे oh sorry I was gonna like suggest that you can wear a hoodie but that's also not gonna work out in the summers at least. I don't know, girls. I've literally like given you the best cheat code, okay? And if you want another one, when I had to attend college classes online during the pandemic, okay, and our professors, all of you guys can do it. It's fine. I don't care. But it's like when our professors used to ask us to switch on our cameras, and it was like very imperative that we do so. A class में like I'm looking at the screen. You think I'm looking at you, but I'm actually watching something else on Netflix. No, I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but like you guys should know these things, hacks. I'm pretty sure you guys do it still, but whatever. Do any of you guys do it? Is there anyone who's doing it right now?
No, ma'am. Not in your legs.
That's sweet that you said that. Okay, anyways, so you can also offer a live behind the scenes look at an event. You can also host a workshop or share a tutorial because I told you when there are like how to guides, right? So that's when there's like an instructional post or when you're teaching someone to do something that's as engaging as it can get for content online because they're all trying to like learn something, isn't it? So you can obviously host a tutorial or an event through Instagram Live. You can host Q&As, and I'll tell you another benefit of hosting a tutorial. It's like, for example, my friend who does like tarot card reading and all. So she will say, okay, manifestation techniques and this and that. And if she was actually having a class for it, or she was saying ki, हाँ इधर आ जाओ अभी, like all the people who want to enroll come and do it. So if I'm there and I'm really liking it at that given point of time, there's a lot of restriction for like my friends to also come and join that class, right? So what I can easily do is when she's actually on a live stream and I'm like, oh man, this is so good. I can like text 5, 6 of my friends and I'll be like, come hear this as well. So they will also come, they'll tell their friends, and it's much easier to join a live than to have like a class. So again, audience reach, blah blah blah, same stuff. Okay. Then also there's a question and answer session. You can host a Q&A where your fans directly come and ask you questions about you, about yourself, or just generally like, ask me all the questions related to how to manifest things, whatever this and that, whatever you want. Okay, up to you. You can also interview a team member, or you can interview someone who's very like learned, I guess. That would also work. Then you can also talk to a client or a customer. So, as I've mentioned before, there's this influencer who goes online, okay, randomly out of the blue, just to talk to his fans. So what essentially happens is, one of the, and this is very smart. Think about it. Okay, literally think about it. This guy has around like 40k followers. Okay, randomly comes online. He has like lots and lots of fans, and he asks his fan. He doesn't ask his fan. He generally just says ki whoever wants to like go live with me and like talk to me, come. So some fan sends him a request that, okay, like, let me come with you. So he accepts the request for like 4, 5 for like, let's say 3, 4 minutes he talks to that fan. Okay, so the other people on the live stream are also listening. ठीक है, ये किसी और fan से बात कर रहा है, इनकी इधर उधर की बातें हो रही है. You're engaged, okay, as opposed to a one-on-one conversation, right? So you're engaged कि तुम लोग दो लोगों का ऐसे ऐसे conversation सुन रहे हो, ठीक है? Then after that, while he goes live with that guy, तो उस बंदे का भी जो भी लोग उसको follow कर रहे हैं, those people are also able to see this guy, right, the influencer. So they'll also see कि अरे मेरा friend तो live usually जाता नहीं है, पर अभी क्यों है? Then they go onto this guy's page and they're like, अरे ये है कौन, right? Again, curiosity build हो गई. Now he doesn't just do that with one person. He'll at least do that with around 10, 11 people in one session. So उनके जितने भी followers हैं उन लोगों के, वो आके curiosity से आते हैं, देखते हैं कि क्या बातें हो रही है. And plus the fact that he doesn't simply talk to one person, and he keeps on talking to like different people. So the narrative changes also. Okay, everybody comes from different backgrounds. Everyone has a different backstory. So your consumers are also very entertained. Okay, that's another way you can use it. Then you can also, generally, um, what else can you do actually with a live? You can actually, you can also discuss certain things about your brand, your business, your manufacturing process. That's also gonna help, right? Oh, now moving on. Setting up an Instagram shop. Okay. So you this whole business thing is only, it's exclusive to only those people who have a business profile, the Instagram shop option. Okay, so now you can create an online store with Instagram. Okay, and you will also get a view shop option. Okay, I'll just show you for those of you who've probably not seen it. I'll show it to you. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Chris, 1 second. Just give me 1 second. So you go on view shop. I'll tell you another important thing about it. Just give me 1 second, Chris. Okay. Now you go to the shop. Okay, all of these things are here. I clicked on this. मुझे ये वाली चीज चाहिए. I went here. I saw this, and it took me here to the exact website. It took me to the exact thing, and I can just purchase it. ठीक है? Okay. So then it's like Sunday I can just make that purchase. Yes, Chris, ask your
हाँ, ये YouTube पे बहुत कॉमन है ना, जो आपने बोला शॉप के बारे में, या YouTube पे मर्चेंडाइज या कस्टमाइज शर्ट्स मग्स एक्सेट्रा बेचते हैं. इसी कंटेक्स्ट में बोल रहे हो ना आप?
Not just YouTube, I'm talking about Instagram.
Instagram.
I'm talking about Instagram shop.
YouTube
Now I
पे
tell you,
YouTube पे there's a join option next to subscribe so that you can join the community and then you can purchase the YouTuber's merchandise. That is a different thing. That's like very personal. This is like shop. This is basically business.
but it can work either way. You can take it as anything. वहाँ भी ऐसे है, यहाँ भी ऐसे है. But I'll tell you the benefit of this Instagram shop thing. Okay, so if you read the statistics, um, I I don't remember the exact statistics, so I don't want to like say the wrong thing to you guys. But from what I read, what I discovered was that a major, um, you know, like a majority of like people before making a purchase, they actually go onto these social media websites and actually start looking ki ye bhi hai, wo bhi hai, ye bhi hai before actually making the purchase. Okay, and they like to know what kind of options they have. Now, as I explained to you, that all consumers are lazy as hell. Okay, they will do the easiest thing possible. Okay, they will literally like do the easiest thing possible. And 1 second, let me reply to this. So now, the easier you make, the more convenient you make your consumers' buying process, the better it is for you, right? Now, for example, if a consumer wants to buy something, okay, and the shop is literally in the mall, Chris, do you still have a question?
हाँ, एक यूट्यूब पे जैसे कि मतलब रेड करते रहे एक गेमर दूसरे मतलब कंटेंट क्रिएटर पे रेड मारते, वही आप बोल रहे थे ना, इंस्टा के टाइप में.
I don't know what this rating thing means.
They just check out on other screen.
They just check out another screen as in?
In the gaming community from one channel, they also go on the live stream of other channel with viewers, and they spam also like that stuff.
Oh, so see, honestly, I'm very unaware about that, so I cannot like honestly comment on it. But I'm just generally saying you're talking about the live stream concept.
Yes, live stream concept, yeah.
Okay, yeah, then that would actually make sense. 1 second. So anyway, now what I was saying is the more like easily you simplify it, okay? Like in the case of Uber and like Nehru cabs or whatever it's called, okay? Nehru cabs, right? You have to book in advance, you have to call them, then they'll wait at your house and this and that. Uber, you click and then in 1 second it's standing outside your house. 1 second, bro. Okay? It's literally standing outside your house. Now imagine I'm on Instagram here. Fine. I'm more likely to buy something if the call to action is very strong. Okay. For example, I am looking at, see this lehenga. Okay, this lehenga came in front of me. ठीक है, अच्छा है, मैंने देख लिया, मैंने सेव कर लिया. मे बी आई विल गो गेट इट मेड बाय माय दिस गाय व्हाटएवर, जो भी दर्जी है मेरा काम वो करता है. बट if I'm seeing, if I go on to like let's say Manish Malhotra at this point, ठीक है, Manish Malhotra. There is no shop here. Why? Manish Malhotra World Review. Okay, यहाँ आ गया. ठीक है. So generally, I'm just going through Manish Malhotra stuff. But if I go to the view shop or like generally you're able to put price tags on things, I see this. Okay, I see this. I like it. It's for 3,50,000. I will not buy it. But let's say if I could buy it in a perfect world, then I would buy it because it will directly take me to the website. It will directly take me to the thing that I have to purchase, and it'll be like 1 second. It'll be 1 second. So I'm just saying your consumer is more likely to buy it if you present them with a very strong call to action. All right. So that okay, and around 130 million Instagram users tap on shopping posts every month. And there's actually a large audience of people keen to buy from the brands that they follow. And you can also tag shopping products in the posts, as I already told you before. You can also tag it in stories and IGTV videos. And there's also like a tip. So if you tag products in Instagram stories, try turning on auto highlighting. So this will save all posts with product tags to story highlights. So potential customers can view them for more than 24 hours also, like later. Okay. Then the thing about Instagram Reels, वो तो कल हो ही गया आप लोगों के साथ, so not an issue. Okay. Then there's also posting at the right time. ठीक है. So you know maybe you guys know about this, maybe you don't know this, but there is a best time to post on Instagram, and it actually varies based on whichever industry you're from. So there was an analysis done, okay, of around 2,58,956 posts from 11 different industries, and it was found that there actually is a best time to post, even though Instagram feeds are no longer chronological. Okay, do you guys know what that means? That Instagram feeds are no longer chronological. So basically पहले क्या था Instagram पे कि for example भारती posted, उसके बाद अनीशा posted, उसके बाद विशेष posted. So I will see my feed in accordance with who posted the most recently. Okay, so I'll सबसे पहले I'll see विशेष का, then I'll see अनीशा का, then I'll see भारती का, क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा recently विशेष ने post किया है. Now the Instagram feeds are not chronological. So what basically happens is that it depends on how much time you spend on a particular post. Okay, perusing through your internet. So now what happens is, I think have I not given you that example of that confession page? I think I gave you the example of that confession page जो मेरे उसमें आते रहता था. चलो ठीक है फिर से बता देती हूँ. So there was like college confession page. Okay, and I was like okay yeah, like I'll follow it and stuff. एंड द थिंग इज मुझे जेन्युइनली लाइक ढेले का इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, मुझे एक्चुअली वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं है कि लाइक उसको उसके वो अच्छी लग गई, उसको वो अच्छा लग गया, उसकी वो ब्ला 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 ब्ला, आई रियली डोंट केयर. ठीक है, बट द पॉइंट इज आई वाज जस्ट, मैंने तो एम ही फॉलो कर दिया था. Now the thing is, when I'm scrolling through my feed, it just catches my eye because it's part of my feed. So because it takes something to read, I automatically spend like 3-4 seconds on that thing क्योंकि अब मेरी आंखों के सामने आ गया. ठीक है, so 3-4 seconds I spend there because I'm just finishing reading the post. And Instagram thinks that I have spent so much time on this post, I must love this post. Okay, so then there was a point that I was opening Instagram and I was going to my feed and it was only these college confessions ki like तुमसे मैं प्यार करता हूँ, तुम सिर्फ मेरी रहोगी, this that, and I'm like how the hell do I care, right? But eventually I couldn't help it because like आदत से मजबूर, when something comes in front of your eyes, you're like अरे थोड़ा uneasy लगता है ना, तुमने एक sentence पढ़ लिया और and then you're like how does the story end even if you don't care. So this was like a vicious cycle. I had to keep spending like 4-5 extra seconds. Can you guys hear me? Am I audible?
Yeah,
So I
curiosity और मतलब anxiety like addiction ये करता है कि आगे क्या है.
exactly. So I had to keep spending those 4-5 seconds in Instagram. like भाई इसको तो हद से ज्यादा प्यार हो गया है मतलब in confession pages से. So सिर्फ वही आते थे. So I had to eventually unfollow it, right? Because I could not escape it. So my point being, the more time you spend on a post, वो ज्यादा दिखता है, right? But anyway, I'm gonna write something here. Okay, I'm gonna send something on your um like chat box to everyone. You guys can copy paste it. I'll say it out loud also. Okay. So now these are the different industries and these timings are according to US timings. Okay. ये US timings है. So like the travel and tourism industry from Friday 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's like the best time to post. Media and entertainment Tuesday and Thursday 12 to 3 p.m. Food and beverages Friday 12 p.m. Retail Tuesday, Thursday and Friday 12 p.m. Professional services Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday 9 or 10 a.m. Non-profit like non-profit organizations, NGOs and all that. That's Tuesday 10 a.m. or 4 p.m. Non-retail e-commerce is going to be Thursday 4 or 9 p.m. Pharmaceuticals and healthcare Wednesday and Sunday 9 a.m. Personal care Thursday and Friday 1, 2 or 3 p.m. Technology, oh my god, I literally feel like a जो automated like robots चलते हैं ना. Anyway, so then technology Monday and Tuesday 2 p.m. and education industry Thursday 4 or 5 p.m. ठीक है? Understood? Okay. Okay. So now we can also be talking about an influencer partnership. Okay. So working with an influencer can actually really help build your brand credibility, and it can also at the same time expose your brand to a new audience. And there was actually like a survey, okay, conducted by Civic Science or something like that. Okay, which found that nearly half of daily Instagram users have made a purchase because of an influencer recommendation. Okay, literally half of daily Instagram users have made a purchase because of an influencer recommendation. Like, can you actually imagine that? Like, I mean, at the same time, maybe even if you don't trust the consumer nahi influencer. If that influencer has that reach and like they display it on their story or on one of their posts, you'll be like, "Arey, ye to काफी अच्छा है," and then you'll go and check it out and you'll buy it. So that's another thing that can help you. And like one easy way to actually get started with influencer marketing on Instagram is to actually host an Instagram takeover. Has anyone heard of an Instagram takeover? Yeah, Chris, go ahead.
नहीं वो नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स होते हैं ना उनके एथिक्स देखना, मतलब कम इन्फ्लुएंसर्स प्रमोट क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स, तो ब्रांड जो व्यूअर्स है ना उनको ज्यादा ट्रस्ट करते हैं. Brands have to take advantage of that. Yeah.
Hello. Yes. अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है. 1 second, Chris. 1 second. Sorry, my like card called from नीचे. Sorry, Chris, my bad. Please go ahead.
वो इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग में जब आपने बोला ना, ब्रांड को चेक करना पड़ेगा कि मतलब जो इन्फ्लुएंसर है वो क्वालिटी प्रमोट कर रहा है और उसकी जो व्यूअर्स है कैसा ट्रस्ट करते हैं, उस पे मार्केटिंग कर सकते हैं.
I feel like
और रेप्यूटेड पर्सन को, जो इन्फ्लुएंसर है उनको देना है.
so another thing is that the influencers really have to match your vibe. If I'm being honest, okay, they really need to match your vibe. You can't just make anyone your influencer because sometimes it just won't match. Okay, and I'm going to be giving you the example of Boost and Yakult. Okay, so what is the marketing strategy of Boost? Anybody?
पर्सन विराट कोहली को शायद दिया है ना वो यार करने.
I'm not sure about Virat Kohli, but I'm sure that Dhoni was there and Sachin Tendulkar was there. Right?
Feel like they want to target young audience.
No, not
Ma'am,
exactly.
the
Hmm.
sportsmen, like
Sportsman
basically
and
the
a small kid.
players, like
Boost is the secret
the
of man that we are.
Boost is the secret of my energy. Okay. So wait, I'll show you. Play the win game. Hold on. I'm showing you the advertisement. And then I'll show you the Yakult also. Okay.
ओए छोटे मैच में लास्ट में जाते हैं बेट इधर.
Wait. Hold on. Did you see that? कहाँ गया? YouTube Boost ad. 1 second, sorry, my bad. Wait, hold on. YouTube. Okay, so I haven't actually seen this, but let's see it and I'll explain why this is relevant once we see it. Okay. ये वाला था. ये नहीं था ना वैसे.
There's a guy who's playing cricket, and then this is it.
और कोई प्लेयर नहीं मिला.
क्या करूं सर, मुझे सिर्फ आपका ही विकेट चाहिए.
चल बॉलिंग कर. स्टैमिना बड़ा होगा, कोई चैलेंज बड़ा नहीं होगा। बूस्ट विद न्यूट्रिएंट्स गिव्स 3 times more stamina. अब से मेरी टीम में खेलेगा। Boost is the secret of IIT.
So there's also one more thing that you must have noticed in this ad, okay, is the fact that Virat Kohli didn't make it easy for him, okay.
Presenting Goki Smart Vital, a device that enables you to keep a check on your health vital.
Where's that mummy wali? हाँ, oh ये Bonvita ही है. अरे यार, यो भी. But let's just talk about Boost in general. But like we can also talk about Bonvita later. Anyway, ठीक है. So now Virat Kohli, by no standard did he make it like easy for that little kid, okay? And just trying to promote that like Boost, like it increases your stamina. Like obviously the kid did not get better than Virat Kohli, but the kid tired him out, right? So it's actually advertising that, and secondly, I'm just saying, if you look at ambassador of Boost, it's someone like Virat Kohli, it's someone like Sachin Tendulkar, it's someone like Dhoni, and I think there was one made on Dangal, and Dangal is also like an athletic kind, not athletic, but like yeah, like wrestling wala film, okay, where all of this is tested. So you have to make sure that the influencer is kind of actually supporting your brand and is like consistent with your brand identity. Now, if we talk about Yakult, okay, what's this? Yakult and Kajol. Okay, I'll show you two here. Yakult and with
It's a beautiful day, what can I say? I am feeling great with a kiss of good health. It's a beautiful feeling so great with a kiss of good. Yakult is 6.5 good bacteria digestion को improve करें और आपको दे stronger immunity. For my family's health, I trust Yakult. World's #1 probiotic drink. It's my kiss of good health.
okay. So here they have chosen someone like Kajol, who has like an image in Bollywood as a this thing. What do you call it? Like a very mother, right? Someone who would want the best for her family. Now here, look at the other brand ambassador that they have for.
आज के लिए done, health expert? No, 70% अभी बाकी है. 70% क्यों? Intestine को strong नहीं बनाना. Intestine में कौन interested है? सबको होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारी 70% immunity intestine में ही है. याकुल्ट बुरी बैक्टीरिया हटा के और अच्छी बैक्टीरिया बढ़ा के intestine को strong बनाता है. Yakult Asan, yummy Asan. For better immunity, love your intestine with Yakult.
Now, two things. Both Shilpa Shetty and Kajol have been shown in a very caring mother wala light, right? And also at the same time, Shilpa Shetty was a very great person to take for this advertisement because Shilpa Shetty is so fit herself, right? So my point being for Boost, if like agar Boost ke liye someone like Deepika Padukone has come, you'll be like that doesn't match. But for something like Lux, okay, Lux के लिए अगर मतलब दीपिका पादुकोण आए या like प्रियंका चोपड़ा आए, you'll be like wow, okay, yeah, so amazing, कितनी खूबसूरती है and all that. But you can't have like someone like Deepika Padukone or whatever these people for Boost, and at the same time you can probably not have like I'm just saying, like the kind of like things that you're endorsing, whatever like kind of image that you particularly have, that's what's going to go with the brand, and your brand can actually like falter a lot. So this is just the point that like Chris was making, I think, that you also need to choose your influencer wisely, right? Because then your ethics and everything are also like they come into question, right? So if there's like a fashion influencer and वो थोड़ा ऐसे watch वगैरह का कुछ करती है, तो you'll be like, yeah, this watch is quite trendy. She knows what she's talking about. She's a fashion influencer. However, someone who's into fitness and gym and blah 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 blah, अगर वो endorse करता है एक watch, तो you'll be like, तुम्हारा क्या लेना देना है इस बात से? So actually वो तुम्हारे brand पे उल्टा पड़ जाएगा. And if there's like a fitness influencer, you would probably want like you will want to collaborate with them if you're a nutritionist, or if you have like those whey protein products या जो ऐसे healthy वाली चीजें हैं, that's what you can actually promote if you're partnering up with a fitness influencer, right? So now talking about an Instagram takeover, you can just ask you can mainly just ask someone to like one of the influencers to take over your account for a day, right? For example, if you're a nutritionist again, okay, and you want people to come and see your brand, you team up with someone who goes to the gym only, but literally has like around 100K followers or 50K followers, you tell them to take over your account. Now they will post about it on their own account. So उनके जो भी followers हैं, they'll be like, अरे यार, this person, like I really care about them so much. वो उसके account में क्या करने गया है? Okay, if I want to see any activity, I have to go and check out the other account. So all of those guys will come. Then on top of that, when the Instagram वाला person comes to their वाला place, then एक तो उसके followers वाले follow कर लेंगे, and उसके लिए भी बहुत एक अच्छी चीज़ है, because the followers that I have will also go to him, will also like go check him out, right? And at the same time, it's creating new content, new fresh content for my followers, because ये आगे ऐसे gym वाली techniques बता देगा या बता देगा that you can do this, you can do that. So it's like different and fresh content from what I usually produce, but very related to the kind of content I want to produce. Okay, yes, Pariti, ask or add whatever you want to.
Like, is it like what talking about? Like, for example, a lot of influencers these days, they are actually like posting videos on Zomato's account, like they will be doing challenges on their YouTube channels. Is it like similar that to the
Yes, it is kind of similar. It's quite similar actually. It's like, so we had like a dance society, ठीक है? In our college we had this like dance society, and उसमें क्या हुआ था? So all these dancers during COVID, what they did was एक dancer, उनके अलग Instagram accounts हैं, जो भी अलग अलग है, सब कुछ अलग है. But every day a different influencer would take over the dance wala account, and they would do different dances. They would ask for suggestions that, okay, tell me what song do you want me to dance on next, and then they would like make some short snippets of them dancing or answer questions. So that way they kept like the thing very engaged, and उनके जो followers थे, they came and checked out the dance society वाला account, and they're like, oh, ये हो रहा है, quite interesting, why don't I follow it? So what
जो नेटफ्लिक्स और अमेज़न भी वही कर रहा है आजकल, मतलब दोनों सेम प्लेटफॉर्म है. मतलब बिफोर दे लॉन्च एनी वेब सीरीज और एनी मूवीज, दे टेक रिव्यूज फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, इंस्टाग्राम इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आल्सो. एंड अगर यूट्यूब पे कोई सीरीज बहुत हिट हो रही है तो दे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके सीजन 2 बनवाते रहते हैं, तो उनके इस पे पेड डाल देते हैं.
which is very smart. Because it's all about influencer marketing, right? Because there's an influencer for every budget now. It's not like celebrities that itna hi lenge, right? Anyway, so that's there. Then you can also expand your audiences with Instagram ads. Okay. So now, since you already defined your target audience, now you can also use that information to target your audiences by using Instagram ads, and they will be based on the location, for example, the state, province, city, country, and so on, the demographics like the age, gender, the language that they use, the interests that they have, like um, like people that they follow, the apps that they use, the ads that they click on, like all of this data that Instagram has. Instagram accumulates all that data and actually uses it while targeting people. And also behaviors of both on and off Instagram as well, that also matters. So you can also upload custom audiences of people that you have already like existing relationships with, and you can use those to actually create a local-like audience. Okay. And you can also advertise in the Instagram feed, stories, or explore. That completely depends on you. कि आपको कहाँ visible रहना है, लोगों के explore page पे, उनकी stories पे, या straight away you want to go to their feed. Okay. Now we will talk about Instagram analytics. Okay. Wait, I'll open this ad for you. Okay. So basically, um, like no matter how good you already think that you are at Instagram marketing, you can definitely always get better. And the best way to improve your results is to learn from what you've already done, right? And the best way to study all the information is available on Instagram Insights. And now I will show you what and how to do that. Okay. इंशा, तुम तो मतलब पढ़ाई तो कर भी नहीं रही हो, तुम बस ऐसे गाने वाने सुन रही हो और तो कुछ नहीं कर रही हो तुम। कभी शादी हो रही है, कभी मार्केट में घूमते हो, कभी होते हो। हाँ?
फंक्शन चालू है, गाने की आवाज सुनो मैम।
हमेशा तुम्हारे फंक्शन ही चालू है।
मैम 4 तारीख तक यही घूम रहा है।
दिवाली पे भी फंक्शन रखा है तुमने या दिवाली का ही फंक्शन है?
नहीं, 2 शादी है घर में।
2 शादी? 2 शादी एक साथ? मैं कैसे मान लूं, बताना किस किस की शादी है?
मैम दोनों कजन बहन की शादी है मेरी। एक मामू की और एक मामू की बहन की बेटी। एक मिनट मैम।
म्यूजिक तो बड़ा अच्छा सुन रहे हो तुम। चलो छोड़ो, कोई नहीं, इट्स ओके। ओके, नो वरी इंशा, इट्स फाइन। सो मूविंग ऑन।
एक्चुअली शादी है और उसमें बच्चे लोग बार-बार आ रहे हैं, माइक वाइक कर दे रहे हैं, इसीलिए कैमरा ऑफ कर दी थी मैंने। बच्चा रो रहा है, कभी गोद में आ जाता है, उसकी वजह से गलती से सब ऑन ऑफ हो रहा है।
चलो, डोंट वरी एनीमोर, डोंट वरी, ओके, इट्स ऑल कूल। तुम अपना देखो, बाल बच्चे संभालो, घर गृहस्थी में ध्यान दो।
मेरी नहीं, मेरे बहुत टाइम है अभी, 6-7 साल है।
ओके कूल, नो लाइक इट्स फाइन, लेट्स मूव ऑन, ठीक है। गाइस, ये प्लीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंटली देख लेना, सब देख लेना। मृत्युजा अटेंडेंस ले लिया तुमने?
हाँ।
ठीक है, ले। ओके गाइस, वॉच दिस एंड वॉच इट प्रॉपर्ली। ये सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज दिखा रही हूँ मैं अभी तुम लोगों को, ठीक है?
Instagram business accounts have powerful analytics about your audience and the content you're sharing. Insights, which can help you continually optimize your social media strategy. Tap Insights to begin viewing your data. Let's start with the Audience tab. Here, you'll see the top locations of your audience, their demographics, and when they're on Instagram most. Based on this information, a hotel chain might learn that their audience is actually older and more female. Insights, which could be useful for content planning and trading. Now let's look at activities. Here, you'll see interactions and discovery metrics for your main feed. Interactions capture how people are engaging with your account, like visiting your profile and clicking your website link. Discovery measures aggregated reach and impressions for your posts. Reach is the number of unique accounts that have viewed your posts, whereas impressions are the total number of views. Impressions will always be higher than reach, and generally, the higher your impressions are compared to unique views, the more your content is resonating. That's because individuals are viewing things multiple times. The Content tab shows how individual posts are performing. Filter results by metric and time frame. For example, find out which videos were liked the most over the past 6 months. Also under Content are metrics for your stories. Note that a story needs to be live for 24 hours before you can review its performance. You can view these metrics as we did with regular posts, or for a more in-depth view of each story, tap on it and swipe up to see a more extensive list of metrics. Under the I symbol, you can see how many people viewed your story. Results from stickers like questions, polls, or quizzes are also found here. Now, toggle to graph icon to check interaction metrics like replies and profile visits that your stories generated. The number of individual story replies can be seen here. It's best to acknowledge all story replies either with a response or at least a like, so your audience feels valued. If you're anticipating a high volume of replies, have a bank of responses on hand to save time. Also under interactions is profile visits. If you're getting a lot of profile visits, your follower count should also increase at a similar rate. If your profile visits are high, but your follower count isn't changing, there's likely a disconnect between your audience sees in your stories versus what's on your profile. Moving down to discovery, we can see the reach and impressions of your stories. It also measures follows, which is the number of accounts that began following you after viewing one of your stories. If this number is high, it likely means you've done something right with that story and that your profile was enticing enough to attract a follow. Now let's look at navigation to better understand your audience's specific actions with your stories. Taps forward captures when a viewer taps the right side of the story to jump to the next one. If taps forward are consistently high on video content, you could try sharing shorter videos. In contrast, taps backward captures when a viewer has rewatched the same story. Depending on the story's content and length, this can mean that the content was worth another view. Or it could mean that the audience needed another look to absorb the content. Next story shows how many viewers swiped to view the next account story. Use this data to figure out what isn't resonating with your audience. If these metrics are high, it could mean you're overloading your audience's attention span with too many stories. The last metric on our list is exits, which measures when your story is closed. Well, similar to the next story metric, an exit is less negative. For example, an exit could mean a viewer had to exit the entire Instagram app, or that they tapped on a username or link within your story. So, if your exits, profile visits, and follows all increase simultaneously, this likely means your content strategy is working. Now that you know what each metric means, be sure to track them consistently and set benchmarks that you can compare your results to across time. Keep in mind, Instagram analytics for regular posts are available for up to 2 years after publishing. But, and this is important, stories are only available for 14 days. So, set time aside regularly to record this data so it's available when you need it for reporting.
I'm gonna share the link to this just in case you guys need it. Okay, it's here. अब कोई क्वेश्चंस वगैरह पूछना है या ऐसे टाटा बाय बाय करनी है? Or- Okay, all of you guys got your groups, as you know. पहले तो let's decide. ये साथ में decide कर लेते हैं क्योंकि मैंने भी decide नहीं किया है, ठीक है? But let's just discuss what all you guys will end up submitting. I think 2 Instagram reels, one like when last 5 classes. Last 5 classes. Look, let me open my calendar. You said today is the 16th class, right? So if I open this, देखो, I think Diwali time तो barely any classes will happen because you know like let me
Recording stopped.
यार मुझे भी party करनी होती है तो ठीक है. So basically what we'll do is Diwali तो like definitely there's no class. Okay, maybe third को भी नहीं होगी. शायद second को तो definitely नहीं है class, ठीक है. So moving on, I feel like first week November the classes will be kind of scanty. So I suggest that you guys start preparing all of your stuff then, and I would actually say that you would have to start your presentations by like 8th November. सारी ग्रुप्स की एक साथ नहीं होंगी. Okay, you know what? Guys, hold on. The reason I'm actually seeing 8 November is कि शायद 8 November तक पहुंचे भी नहीं. See, if you're, I don't know, I विशेष ने बड़ा ऐसे ऐसे किया है. ये क्या मतलब है विशेष?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ मैम.
हाँ मैम.
देखो तुम लोग तो ऐसे बोल रहे हो, तुम लोग मुझे नहीं जानते अभी, ठीक है? मैं वैसे ही तुम्हें इतनी फालतू की छुट्टियां दे दूंगी. देखो 1 नवंबर तो होएगी होएगी. देखो ओ शिट 8 नवंबर भी नहीं हो सकती, मुझे शादी में जाना है. एक काम करूँ मैं अभी ना गाइस डोंट लाफ एट मी. मैं मम्मी से बात करने जा रही हूँ. मैं एक ना कैलेंडर बना रही हूँ अपना पहले टाइम टेबल का. मैं देख रही हूँ व्हाट ऑल डेज आई एम बिजी. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस ऑन अ वेरी सीरियस नोट, फर्स्ट वीक नवंबर जेन्युइनली तुम्हारी कुछ होने नहीं वाली. एंड आई एम गोना गेट लाइक you know very badly screamed at, shouted at if I give you guys the entire. बोलते कह रही हूँ कभी मुझे जानते नहीं हो, मैं तुम्हारा ही नाम लेगा. आते रहते आते रहते. तो कितनी बार एक बार ही हुआ है, वो भी मैंने तुम्हारे लिए किया है, क्योंकि तुम लोगों को इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच देखना था. ओह नो. मेरे ना गुड गाइस, लेट्स देखो मैं कल तुम्हें देने वाली थी छुट्टी क्योंकि मुझे जाना था कहीं पार्टी में, बट अब वो कैंसिल हो गई है, तो कल तो आना पड़ेगा तुम सब लोगों को. ठीक है? Wait, let's discuss this, okay, on a very serious note. 16 classes have happened, which essentially means that 14 classes और करनी है. ऋतुजा कितने ग्रुप्स बने हैं? ऋतुजा, ऋतुजा.
एक मिनट देख के बताने दो.
हम्म. अभी अभी फिक्स कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? लाइक देयर इज नो लाइक टेंशन.
मिस,
हाँ जी.
आप एक बार फिर से प्रेजेंटेशन का बता दो.
सिलेबस
उस
वो भी साथ में रहता है.
एब्सेंट थी.
Okay, so presentation का ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. You along with your group will have to make one like advertise like any advertisement campaign for any brand. Okay, you have to do it for any brand. ये सारी चीज़ एक brand के लिए ही. You have to make like meme marketing content. You have to make like can you hear me?
Yes.
मैम शेड ग्रुप है.
एक group है. So ओके मैम इंडिविजुअली करना है या ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट ही करना है, ठीक है? सो यू गाइस हैव टू मेक टू कैनवा पोस्ट, वन इंस्टाग्राम रील एंड वन कंटेंट कैलेंडर. ठीक है? टू कैनवा पोस्ट, टू इंस्टाग्राम रील्स एंड 5 चीजें बनानी है क्योंकि बहुत लोग हैं ग्रुप में. या नहीं नहीं नहीं, छोड़ो छोड़ो छोड़ो, 4 चीजें ही करो. कंटेंट कैलेंडर बनाओ. You guys can choose whatever brand you want. ठीक है? Any brand you guys want, you choose it. Okay? So and you can choose किसमें आपको but it has to be an original idea. ठीक है? So you make सब एक ग्रुप के साथ डिसाइड कर लो. ठीक है? कौन सा ब्रांड you guys want to take. एक कंटेंट
इंटरनेशनल
कैलेंडर
ब्रांड्स,
बनाना है. हाँ.
इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स वगैरह.
इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स.
या मतलब जो इंटरनेशनल है इंडिया
हाँ
के.
कोई भी literally any brand you want. You can even like choose like Oreo, any brand. ठीक है? So basically I'm just saying one Instagram reel, 2 Canva posts and one content marketing क्या बोल रही हूँ, sorry.
मीम.
हाँ, one reel, 2 Canva posts and वो क्या है यार, I think content calendar.
कंटेंट है.
4 चीजें बनानी है तुम लोगों को अपने ग्रुप के साथ. You guys are like so many of you. So just like discuss a good strategy. So when you guys come, you tell me your marketing strategy. Number one, you tell me your marketing strategy through your content calendar. Then the next thing that you tell me is your reel, concept reel ka. Then Canva post, what you did, what you thought, color schemes, this, that. How will it reflect on your brand? ये brand की क्या help कर सकता है, ठीक है? So बस मतलब बहुत सारे लोग हैं यार, मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा लोग हैं तुम्हारे उसमें. तो if you guys want to work on everything and you're like हाँ चलो ठीक है. For example, if Parth, Vishesh, Anisha and Akanksha are in a group, so they're like हाँ ठीक है Parth, मतलब there are like 9 people, so 2-3 लोग रील पे काम कर ले, 2-3 लोग कंटेंट कैलेंडर पे कर ले. I just have to mark you on something. Okay? And now let's just talk about कब क्या होगा, ठीक है? So अब क्या स्पेशल चाहिए तुम्हें? मार्क्स वार्क्स मिलेंगे.
जी मेरा आईफोन 11
आईफोन 11 बोल रहे हैं.
मैम आईफोन 11 प्रो की करेगी
एक काम करो. ओह सॉरी सॉरी पर बैड over here.
आईफोन 13 मैम एक जूता लेके दे दो
क्या स्पेशल चाहिए क्या तुम्हें? Oh something. Okay, yeah, I can do that. Like special mention this that. Okay, fair enough. I can get that. बेस्ट फिर पूरे ग्रुप को ही मिलेगा. हाँ ठीक है.
टीम का है ना, तो ग्रुप को ही जाएगा ऑब्वियसली.
So I'll give you like a special mention जो भी करता है, ठीक है? So now I'll tell you what. ये नवंबर का जो भी महीना है पूरा का पूरा honestly 5th 6th को कर सकते हैं. 5th 6th को क्लास होगी. You know what part eventually ना क्या होगा कि 10th के बाद ही होगा. So guys be prepared by 10th. ठीक है? And guys, if the classes be heavy मतलब ऐसे ऐसे हो रही है, it's the festive season. मुझे मत देखो, सबके लिए है ये, ठीक है?
Yes.
भाई
Honestly, after Diwali, our college is also opening. So there might be a possibility that if anybody is involved in events, they will stay back at college till 7 and 8.
guys, what do you want
Like,
me to do
I
then? The thing is, अरे यार मेरा भी तो शेड्यूल है ना. तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? तुम लोग सिर्फ पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, मुझे भी तो 50 चीजें करनी होती है. अब सुनो, मुझे
मैम को मैच करना
I have my application deadlines. Okay, listen. I have my application deadlines. I have to start another one course for English proficiency is still just going on. ठीक है, तुम्हारे ये चल रहा है, इसका बैच 2 भी मुझे स्टार्ट करना है, नहीं तो बच्चे ऐसे मतलब गलत मारेंगे मेरा. ठीक है, मुझे इंग्लिश का भी बैच 2 स्टार्ट करना है, मुझे एप्लीकेशन देनी है. मैंने जीआरई का तो बताया ही है, मेरा मैथ का क्या सीन है. और मुझे और भी लाइक कोई सीक्रेट काम करना है जो मैं तुम्हें बता नहीं सकती. ठीक है. So I am saying that I have to take class because अगर मैं क्लास नहीं लूंगी ना, I'll tell you क्या होगा. तुम्हारा वो खत्म ही नहीं होगा यार, सेशन ही नहीं खत्म होगा. And I can't start more than like I can't have 2 batches running at the same time. Honestly, I can't. I really don't have time for that. So I'll have to take as many classes as I can. Honestly बोल रही हूँ पार्थ, बहुत सारी छुट्टियाँ होंगी because I'm that kind of a person. जिसको बाहर जाना होता है तो वो तुम्हें अपने आप मिल ही जाएंगी. ठीक है, वो जब मैं रखूंगी क्लास तो आ जाना. ठीक है, you will see. Let November start. सेकंड तो ऑब्वियसली देखो, थर्ड को छोटी छोटी दिवाली है. ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है, सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ डेफिनेटली. अटेंड करते हैं अगर मुझे कहीं पार्टी में जाना है तो। अभी कुछ प्लान नहीं बना, ठीक है? शायद 30 को जाने के लिए 30